This is a TY BSc linear algebra lecture. Now theorem. We are learning unit 3 diagonalization theorem. Theorem. Let A be n by real matrix. Let A be an n by n real matrix. Let A be an n by n real matrix. An n by n real matrix. And let lambda belong to R be an eigenvalue of A. And let lambda belong to R be an eigenvalue of A. Eigenvalue of A law of A, then geometric multiplicity of lambda is less than or equal to algebraic multiplicity of lambda, then geometric multiplicity of lambda multiplicity of lambda is less than or equal to algebraic multiplicity of lambda. Algebraic multiplicity of lambda. Here, let A be an n by n real matrix, and let lambda belong to R be an eigenvalue of A, then the geometric multiplicity of lambda is less than or equal to algebraic multiplicity of lambda. Now, if lambda is an eigenvalue of A, then we are familiar with the geometric multiplicity of lambda and algebraic multiplicity of lambda. Geometric multiplicity of lambda is the largest integer k. Algebraic multiplicity of lambda is the largest integer k such that x minus lambda k divides the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A, and geometric multiplicity of lambda is the dimensions of the eigenspace associated with the eigenvalue lambda. Now, geometric multiplicity of lambda is less than or equal to algebraic multiplicity of lambda. Now, prove. Let k be the geometric multiplicity of lambda. Let k be the geometric multiplicity of lambda. Geometric multiplicity of lambda. K be the geometric multiplicity of lambda. Let E lambda be the eigenspace of lambda. Let E lambda, E suffix lambda, be the eigenspace of lambda. Be the eigenspace of lambda. Now see here. Sir, K is the geometric multiplicity of lambda. E lambda is the eigenspace of lambda. Now we know what is the eigenspace corresponding to eigenvalue lambda. There is a infinite uncountable set of vectors. Those are eigenvalues associated with the those are eigenvectors associated with the eigenvalue lambda. Means if lambda is हे लेक्चर बंद नंतर दे अंकिता If lambda is K be the geometric multiplicity of lambda and E lambda is the eigenspace. Therefore, eigenspace is the set of eigenvectors associated with the eigenvalue lambda. It is a subspace of Rn. Let B B dash is equal to phi1 phi2 dash 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 phi k. Let B dash phi1 phi2 phi k be the basis, be a basis of E lambda. Here E lambda is the eigenspace of lambda. E lambda is a vector subspace. It is the subspace of vectors having eigenvalue lambda. Now therefore B dash V1 V2 Vk be basis of E lambda. Therefore B dash is the basis of E lambda. Now here, since B dash is a subspace of Rn, we can extend basis B dash to the basis B of Rn. Let B is equal to V1 V2 dash 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 Vk plus 1 dash dash Vn be an extension of the basis B dash to the basis B of Rn. Be an extension of the basis B dash to a basis B of Rn. Here it is B dash is the basis of E lambda. E lambda is the subspace of Rn, and therefore it is possible to extend the basis B dash to basis B of Rn. Therefore B is equal to V1 V2 Vk plus Vn is the extension of the basis B dash to a basis B of Rn. Basis B dash to a basis B of Rn. Now let T Rn to Rn be defined as T of x is equal to Ax. T of x is equal to Ax. Therefore T is a linear transformation. T from Rn to Rn be defined as T of x is equal to Ax. Therefore T is a linear transformation. T is a linear map. T is a linear transformation. Now the matrix of T with the standard basis of Rn is A. The matrix of T with respect to the standard basis E1 is equal to 1 0 0, E2 0 1 0 0 0, En 0 0 1, is A. Here we know the standard basis. The vector E1 is the vector of Rn having 1 at the first place and remaining entries are 0. E2 is the vector of Rn having second component 1 and remaining component 0. Similarly, En is the vector of Rn having nth vector component 1 and remaining component 0. Therefore, the basis E1, E2, dash 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 En is known as the standard basis. And if T of Ax is a linear transformation, then the matrix of T with respect to the standard basis is a E1 is a A. Now let B be the matrix. B be the matrix of T, with respect to basis B, with respect to basis B, with respect to basis B, respect to the basis B. Here, let B be the matrix of T with respect to the basis B. Means B is a matrix of T with respect to the basis V1, V2, Vk, Vk plus Vn. Here V1, V2, Vk, this K vector form a basis of eigenspace E lambda. Therefore, A of V1 is equal to lambda V1, A of V2 is equal to lambda V2, A of Vk is equal to lambda Vk. Therefore, therefore T of V1 is equal to A V1 is equal to lambda V1 plus 0 V2 plus 0 V3 dash 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 plus 0 Vn. Okay, 0 Vn, 0 into Vn. T of V2 is equal to A V2 is equal to 0 V1, 0 into V1 plus lambda V2 plus 0 V3 plus dash 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 plus 0 Vn. T of V3 is equal to 0 V1, A V3 is equal to 0 V1 plus 0 V2 plus 0 V3 plus dash 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 lambda V3 not 0 V3. See here, T of V3 is equal to A V3 is equal to 0 V1 plus 0 V2 plus lambda V3 dash dash plus 0 Vn. And T of Vk plus 1, T of Vk is equal to A Vk is equal to A Vk is equal to 0 V1 plus 0 V2 plus dash 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 lambda Vk plus dash 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 0 Vn. This is the T of Vk. Now T of Vk plus 1, T of Vk plus 1 is equal to T of Vk plus 1 is equal to A1 T of Vk plus 1 is equal to A11 V1 plus A12 A21 A1k plus 1 A1k plus 1 V1 A2k plus 1 V2 like this dash 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 a k plus 1 k plus 1 a k plus 1 k plus 1 phi k phi n a n k plus 1 phi n t v k plus 1. Here t v k plus 1 a1 suffix k plus 1 v1 a2 a suffix 2 k plus 1 v2. Okay, like this a n a suffix n k plus 1 vn and t1 tn tvn is equal to a1 n v1 plus a2 n v2 like this plus a n n vn. Therefore the matrix of the matrix of t the matrix of t the matrix of t with respect to basis b with respect to basis b with respect to basis b respect to basis b is of the type b is of the type here here v1 v2 vk is an eigen space is a basis of eigen space associated with the eigenvalue of lambda. Here we extended this basis to basis b. Now here basis b is equal to v1 v2 vk vk plus 1 vk plus 2 vn. Now t of v1 is equal to a v1 is equal to lambda v1 plus 0 v2 plus 0 v3 plus like this 0 vn. T of v2 is equal to a v2 is equal to 0 v1 plus lambda v2 plus 0 v3 plus 0 vn. T of v3 a v3 is equal to 0 v1 plus 0 v2 plus lambda v3 plus dash 0 vn. T of vk a vk is equal to 0 v1 plus 0 v2 plus lambda vk plus 0 vn. T of vk plus 1 is equal to a1 a suffix 1 k plus 1 v1 a suffix 2 k plus 1 v2 plus a suffix n k plus 1 vn. Now t of vn a suffix 1 n v1 a suffix 2 n v2 a suffix n n vn. Now the matrix of t with respect to basis b is of the type b is equal to b is equal to b is equal to lambda 0 dash 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 0 0 lambda dash 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 0 0 0 dash 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 lambda. Then b dash 0 and b double dash okay. The matrix b of the linear transformation t with respect to basis b is denoted by b matrix. This matrix is also denoted by b. Now this matrix is of type lambda 0 0 means here there is a square matrix of order k by k having diagonal entries lambda. In case of matrix B, there are 4 types of the matrix B. There is a square matrix having diagonal entries lambda and its order is k by k. Then below that matrix there is a matrix of order n minus k by k type, of order n minus k by k, and each entry of this matrix is equal to 0. Then there is a matrix B dash of the order k by n minus k, of the order n minus k by n minus k. This is that matrix is denoted by B dash, and there is a matrix B double dash which is also square matrix. It is of the order k by k minus cross n by k by n minus k by n minus k. Therefore, this is the matrix B. Now A and B are matrices of the same linear transformation with respect to two different bases. Therefore, the matrix A and matrix B are similar, since A and B are the same are the matrices of the same linear transformation, of the same linear transformation same linear transformation with respect to different bases, their different bases. Therefore, matrix A and B are similar. Matrix A and B are similar. A and B are similar. Now, see here. When the two matrices are similar, we have learned that their characteristic polynomials are identical. In case of two similar matrices, their characteristic roots are identical. Okay, their characteristic polynomials are same. Therefore, the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A, therefore the characteristic polynomial of matrix A, the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A, characteristic polynomial of A is equal to the characteristic polynomial of B, the characteristic polynomial of B, characteristic polynomial of B, characteristic polynomial of B, polynomial of B. Therefore, the characteristic, but the characteristic polynomial of B, but the characteristic polynomial of B, but the characteristic polynomial of B, characteristic polynomial of the matrix B, polynomial of B is x minus lambda raised to power k, x minus determinant of xi minus b, is equal to, which is equal to x minus lambda raised to power k into p dash x into p dash x into p dash x into p1x, x minus lambda into k into p1x. Therefore, the characteristic polynomial of A is equal to x minus lambda k into p1x. Therefore, the multiplicity of the eigenvalue lambda, in the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A is k or greater than k, because the polynomial p1x can also have a factor of the type x minus lambda. and therefore the multiplicity of the eigenvalue lambda in the characteristic of the polynomial of the matrix A is greater than or equal to k. And now the geometric multiplicity of the eigenvalue lambda is k, and since p1x can have a polynomial of the type x minus lambda raised to power k, x minus lambda raised to some power, positive power, and therefore this shows that the algebraic multiplicity is greater than or equal to geometric multiplicity, and therefore the geometric multiplicity of eigenvalue lambda is less than or equal to algebraic multiplicity of eigenvalue lambda. Now the polynomial p1x, the polynomial p1x, polynomial p1x can have factor of the type x minus lambda raised to power m belong to z, and m is greater than 0, and therefore algebraic multiplicity can be greater than k. Therefore algebraic multiplicity of the lambda, algebraic therefore algebraic multiplicity is greater than or equal to k, which is equal to geometric multiplicity. Therefore algebraic geometric multiplicity is less than or equal to algebraic multiplicity is proved here. अंकिता बंद कर.